Hey friends, happy holidays. Whatever holiday you are celebrating, I hope you are enjoying the season. Here's a little video of me getting my areas ready for holiday decorations. Today I'm starting by taking down the solar lights and getting ready to put up Christmas decorations. The awning is slightly slanted, so I do need to use the ladder to get the lights at the highest point, but then the rest I can reach. And the actual panel for the solar lights was up on top of the awning. I also had a set of solar fairy lights that were on the light post that were really wrapped around and wound inside so that I could see them. So that took me a minute to get those untangled and down. And as you can see, I kind of trapped the dog inside there. She was being very good and not wanting to step on the plants. So she just waited for me to finish up before she could get out of the garden. Well, my fall porch display is looking a little wintry. So I think it's almost about time to switch it out for my Christmas stuff. November 20th. I still have pumpkins, but that's about it. Recording things outside definitely comes with its own set of challenges. Well, it warmed up and the snow melted, but it was very windy and my tripod kept tipping over, and I tried to get as much of this recorded as I could and just got to cleaning up.